When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of
This is what
wisdom.
love looks like.
Let it be